Hi guys and welcome. Today in this video I want to share with you the Binance, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. And if you still don't have an account on Binance, make sure to check the link in the description panel of this video to get your own welcome bonus of $600. And I want to mention that if you will not use the link, you will not get the welcome bonus of $600. So make sure to check it out, and as usual, all the useful links you can find in the description panel of this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Binance, what it is, and how to use it to make profit, or we're going to be talking about the basics. Okay, so Binance is a popular cryptocurrency exchange designed for experienced cryptocurrency investors. It offers relatively low trading fees and a wide selection of cryptocurrencies for trading worldwide, although its trading options are more limited in the United States. The exchange offers a variety of trading tools, including real-time charting tools with moving averages and exponential moving averages, and users can place trades through the Binance app, the Binance website, or the Binance desktop application. Traders can also use the Binance platform to access their portfolios and trading history and view their order book and price charts. In addition, Binance provides different order types, such as a stop order, limit order, stop limit order, stop market order, and sliding stop order. You can also choose from trading modes, from classic to margin, and over the counter. Binance's dashboard lets you view charts, marketing trends, your portfolio, and your current and past trades. To manage your payment types, simply go to your account page and add any credit or debit card and bank accounts you want to trade with. Making deposits and withdrawals is really easy and can be done by going to the spot wallet, selecting the asset you want to buy or withdraw, and following the instructions on the screen. It's really handy, it's convenient, so you can withdraw or add some assets really easy. Binance has two trading settings, advanced and basic. The basic layout is easy for anyone to understand, and it displays only vital information for making trades. Since Binance is a professional trading platform, the basic trading setup can seem complicated for beginners. However, it won't take much time to figure it out. The advanced trading setup gives experienced traders access to all the market data and price charts they need to make complex trades. You can use Binance for any basic trading. To get started, sign up using my exclusive link in the description, with which you can get $600 bonus. The bonus won't be available if you just open Binance and register without the link, so make sure to check it out. First of all, you need to use the link in the description, log into your Binance account, and in the taskbar, click on the exchange and select basic. You will see that basic looks nothing like a basic. Let's jump to the dashboard. Okay, we are at the dashboard, and here you need to press the exchange, and we're inside. Now you need to select trading pair. There are a vast number of trading pairs available on the Binance. The exchange rate is what Binance is offering for this coin pairs. You can exchange Bitcoin for 143 different currencies on Binance. If you have Ethereum in your account, you can only trade Ethereum. So find cryptocurrencies that offer to trade with Ethereum or Bitcoin in the top right corner. Right here, you just type in the currency pair that you want to trade, and that's it. We do have BTC to USDT as an example. Then you need to choose the type of trade you want to make. Binance offers three types of trades right here. Market order allows users to trade their coins at the current market price. This is the easiest and fastest type of trade. Stop limit orders, here traders can sell or buy a coin when it reaches a specific price. This is the type of order that professional traders often use. And limit orders allows users to set a maximum price for which they are willing to sell a set. Traders will then wait for the seller or buyer to accept their price. You can buy on Binance using market orders, which are simple and fast for any beginner and absolutely clear. Then you need to choose the amount you want to trade. If you're happy with the current market price, just click on market order and make this order, enter the amount of coin that you want to buy, or you can use the percentage here and click on buy, and that's it. Binance trading fees are among the lowest on the market. It avoids the high costs charged by fiat trading offerings. The withdrawal fees charged by Binance for various cryptocurrencies are also relatively low. For example, you can withdraw Ripple and get 0.25 XRP. You can also withdraw Ethereum and get 0.01 ETH for it. The commission for trading on Binance has limited to 0.1% of each sale or purchase that users make. The commission can be reduced by 50% if Binance coin is used for settlement. So make sure if you have the Binance coin, thus the final commission will be only 0.05%. Also, you can make trades on Binance P2P. You must have a verified account and connect SMS and Google authentication. Before you start trading, you need to set up payment methods. Binance P2P, here it is. Ads are sorted by price and update time. This means that the ads will be the best selling price at the top. Each ad contains information about the price, available trading volume in cryptocurrency, minimum and maximum amount per transaction, and traders' statistics. Pay attention to the terms of the deal, because this section contains additional information from the seller, and really pay attention to this section. Then you need to specify how much cryptocurrency you want to buy. You can specify a specific amount in cryptocurrency or limit the amount you wish to pay in fiat currency and just click buy now. Once you've placed your order, the order will contain the necessary information to make the payment with the merchant's details to make the transfer exact amount, time window for payment. Once you complete the payment, mark the order as paid by clicking transferred next and wait for the cryptocurrency transfer from the seller. That's pretty it. Once that transaction is completed, the digital assets you purchase will automatically be credited to your P2P balance. In order to sell cryptocurrency on P2P, it must be on your P2P wallet balance. If you're deposit into cryptocurrencies from other services to top up your credit on Binance, go to Spot Wallet and press enter. Once your balance is topped up with cryptocurrency, you must transfer the assets to your P2P wallet. To do this, click P2P account, transfer, specify the necessary amount you want to transfer to P2P and confirm the transfer, and it's done. Go to the main Binance P2P page and choose the I want to sell tab, and this is quite it. It's not the rocket science, guys. It's quite easy to use the Binance, and I want to remind you that you can get your own welcome bonus of $600 using the link in the description panel of this video, so make sure to check it out. Just want to make one more important notice that Binance launches ETH to BUSD zero fee trading, guys. So if you're interested this can be a cool opportunity for those trading online. And if you're newbie, maybe it's not so important. But if you're inside of Binance, if you're trading daily, this is great news for those people who are trading, because zero fee is always fantastic and gives you more profit if you're trading on zero fees. So all the useful links and all the information about it will be available in the description panel of this video, guys. And wish you good luck, wish you big profits, and stay tuned. Bye bye.